friends and family, and welcome back to another unboxing, I guess unbagging in this case. Today we're going to be reviewing the Ipsy Glam bag, which is the $12 a month bag. You do receive 5 items. They're usually deluxe size, however you may receive 1 to 2 full-sized items. You also get to customize one of your items as well. So if you are interested in what is in my bag, then stay tuned. Alright, you guys, so I did receive an email from Ipsy that the Glam bag is going to go up $1 whole starting in October, so it's going to be $13 a month rather than the $12 a month. I am kind of bummed about it because I love everything that we get for the $12. I think $12 is still fair and comfortable. What I can say is that I have had this subscription since they first started at $10 a month, and I do feel like they have definitely stepped up their game from the $10 range to the $12 range. I do feel like we have better products, a bigger variety, and sometimes even a bigger size. We still every now and then get those little teeny tiny ones that are just so darn cute that you kind of gotta giggle at it. So I'm interested to see how the $13 is going to affect this bag. I do feel like, you know, I probably wouldn't ever pay more than the $15 to $18 range. So if it ever went there, I may have to start thinking about canceling versus what they give. But at this point, for the $12, I think it's an exceptionally well curated bag. I do have high hopes that it will continue to stay that way. So anyway, here is what the bag this month looks like. Look how gorgeous this is. It's almost like a manila color, or it's like a, so it looks like a manila color from far away, but when you look up close, it actually has some gold in it. Makes this bag really stunning, very classy looking. I love that. And I love the envelope style. It does have this little button, and then, you know, it's definitely got the nice texture inside, the lining inside for all of that. And you do receive a card. This month is Wanderlust, and you do receive all of the items here. They only give you the full size price and not, you don't get the deluxe size price, which is always a bummer. I try my best to do a comparison to get you an actual value, so I will always try to do that. But yeah, let's go ahead and pull out the first thing, whatever that is here. Ooh, yes. This is the liquid eyeshadow. Let's see, sparkling liquid eyeshadow Fard? F-A-R-D. Okay. By the Balm Cosmetics. So I do like the Balm Cosmetics. I think that they have nice things. I have not tried their liquid eyeshadow, so I'm curious to see. Oh, this is nice. Some days I definitely do like to just do a quick little run through on my eyelids. Easy and simple look. So it is very pretty. It has that shimmer in it. I really like it. It looks like it seemed to dry down fairly quickly. I don't feel like it's rubbing off too much. I mean, it does take a little second to dry down. This one is a full price. Full price is $14 for that guy. And then I believe this was my choice item. This is the Pixie blush. It's the Fresh Face blush in Ginger Blossom. So I thought this was really pretty. I love blush, and sometimes I really like these little small ones because they still last a really long time, but you also don't feel like you're stuck with it forever. So I think they're a really good like deal for me, you know, because then I can switch them around and those kind of things. So here's what that looks like up close. Very pretty. Ooh, yes, I love it. Right up my alley. Yes, this color, very pretty. I am super happy about this. This one is a deluxe size, and the full size is $18. And let's see what else. Okay, we got item Light Sauce Balancing Gel Moisturizer for oily and combo skin. I've tried a couple of their makeup products from Ipsy. I have not tried their face cream. So here is what that looks like. It's just a little guy, and it is sealed. I'm not going to open it up. Let me read about it really quickly here. So it says, yep, we scored TikTok superstar Addison Rae's Item Beauty products just for you. Perfect for oily skin types, but great for all. This derm-tested gel formula keeps skin hydrated and healthy with tiger grass extract and ceramides. Tip, massage into clean skin both morning and night. Okay, I'm willing to give that a try. It's enough to sample. I think you can definitely get a good idea of whether or not this is going to work. Full size is $20. This is the deluxe sample. Let's see. All right, looks like last item in here, which I was really excited about. This is a Beauty for Real 24/7 waterproof eyeliner, and it is in the color Peacock. So you know I love getting colored eyeliners, because if you're gonna give me an eyeliner, don't make it black, please. Oh, that's gorgeous. So it has a shimmer in it. I don't know if you're going to be able to pick that up on camera, but it does have a very nice shimmer. I love this. Okay, this is a full-size item. It is $16, and it looks like I'm missing one item. Okay, here we go. All right, so the for real last item in here is a Farrah Blender Brush Rose Gold Collection. I love getting single brushes in here. I don't mind that they're single. This one says, be beautiful, be you. Super cute. This is the Blender Brush 25E. So I always love when they have that on there. Here is the tip. Very nice, not flimsy at all. Definitely going to do a great job for that blending, I feel. Okay, this is also a full size, and it's $11. So this is a pretty good bag because both of these are considered full size. So this month we received 2 full size in our $12 bag. So that is super exciting. So we'll do the recap. We got the brush, the Peacock eyeliner, the face lotion, the balm, the blush, and the eyeshadow, the liquid eyeshadow. And then I did also get 2 add-ons because I love the balm, and the Ipsy $10 bag, back when it was $10, was where I first tried the Balm Cosmetics, and they had something similar to this in one of my bags, and it lasted me forever. So when I saw this, it was actually 2 for $5. I ended up picking this up because it's such a great deal. I remember finding this exact same size, but it was around Christmas time at Kohl's, and it was a variety set of, I think, like 8 or so of these, and it was like $30, and I was like, ooh, that's a little bit pricey for, you know, all of those. So I never ended up picking it up, and I never rebought it, but I remember I loved it so much. I don't know that it's the same color. This one is in the color Sincere, But when I saw it, I was so excited, and I'm like, yes, I have to have this. So here is the applicator, and then here is the color. It does look very similar to the one that I liked all those years ago. So very pretty there. And then, like I said, it was like a little 2-pack combo for $5. So the other thing I got was this little palette, or little mini blush from Sugar. And it's got this little case, super cute. Look at that. And here is the color, very pretty color. Ooh, it's a little bit dark, but I like that. Look at that. Let's put that on the skin here. Oh yes, ooh, I love both blushes. It's like they're both gonna give you just enough of a different style, a different look. So definitely like that. You know, guys, let me know what you thought about this variation. I'm always happy with my Glam bag. How do you feel about them raising the price to $1? Do you feel like it's going to affect things in a negative way? Like, do you really think they are going to step up their game? I sort of think that they are. Like, I'm very optimistic about it. So anyway, like, comment, subscribe, follow me on Instagram. I also do swatch videos over there, and we will see you in our next video. Bye, guys.